Hello, and thank you for tuning in. Rose Ward, Stampersdelight.com. Grab your coffee, grab your tea, and come stamp with me. So I'm hopping on now with my unboxing of the new catalog. So we are going to get started. Just a reminder, you can get that mug and other stamping apparel at Stampersdelightshop.com. And also for this month, when you place an order with me, you will get a downloadable PDF with over 40 card samples from our demonstrator team that has gotten together to do this. And this will be every month. You'll get a different one every time you order. That is with a qualifying order of $50 or more before shipping, tax, and your bonus dollars. I am going to hop right in here and just let you know that the registration is now open for my online or in-person fall retreat. It includes the suite of Garden Walk, which is the stamp set punch, the pearls, the ribbon, the designer series paper, plus the sincere stamp set. 10 projects, step-by-step video tutorial, downloadable PDF, and a mystery gift. In person is everything here, except for it's in person. And you get a light lunch. I'm going to show this afterwards, and I'll tell you why later on. So let's move this somewhere, and we're going to get started. So on page 4, and I can't open the catalog, but I want to show you something because I almost missed it. There is designer series paper that's on page 4 called A Walk in the Forest. I'm going to open that up and look at that right now. It's also on the page with all the designer series paper, but it's not in the middle of the catalog like with a stamp set. So I almost missed it. So we have 2 of each. Now I will also be announcing my paper share later on today, and all the designer series papers that you see today are going to be included in that. So let's go through this real quick. There's that one. You really have to see these in person to get the full effect. Beautiful papers. So cute. And I love this paper because it goes with so many of our new holiday stamp sets. I wish I could open the catalog, but I can't yet. Just have to take my word for it. Beautiful papers. And then this one. All right, now I'm going to run out of room here, so you're going to see me go back and forth. Let's move that on there. Now, on page 8, we have the Merry Bold and Bright collection, which is the stamp set. I haven't opened the dies, but we'll do that right now. Oh, so cute. Love this. There's the dies and the stamp set. I always put my dies right in with my stamp set. You get these gems, iridescent discs, adhesive back. We get 2 designer series paper, and again, this is included, and so is this one, in the upcoming paper share. The nice thing about the double-sided designer series paper, if you don't like one side, you just use the other. However, more times than not, we like both sides. This says fa la la la. Some stripes, nice bright Christmassy colors. If you're like me, you probably like these sides better. Cute little trees. So that's the first one. And then we have some foil paper. Well, let me open this up like this. I like to save my cellophane when I can. And this is Granny Apple Green and Melon Mambo. So there's 4 sheets there. Now when I post my paper share, it'll tell you what you're going to get and how many sheets. And this beautiful, oh my gosh, I love this ribbon. I actually use this, and you'll see this in a few minutes. This satiny iridescent white, which really goes with any of our products. All right, next we have, let's see. Page 14, let me find my page 14, here we go. This is Oh Holy Night. This is a, oh my gosh, beautiful, beautiful set. So this is the collection. You get this beautiful ribbon. I gotta open this. I haven't used this yet. So also what I'd like to know from you is, what do you want to see now that we have this catalog? Do you want to see more of the annual catalog? Or do you want me to start working on the holiday sets? I do listen to my followers, although I can't get this out. Oh my gosh, my fingers aren't working today. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Facebook, and give me a thumbs up. This is not cooperating. I think I got it. Oh my gosh. All right, let me get a pair of scissors. This is really in there good. I just don't like to use scissors. I don't want to cut my ribbon, which I may end up doing. All right, I think I got it now. Oh my gosh. I just can't get this one out. It's usually not this hard. How embarrassing. All right, I'm just going to snip it. There we go. There is a little tape there, which normally I can lift. There we go. Finally. Because I had to show you this in person. This one's really in there good. There we go. But you'll see why I had to show you. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Let's do our ribbon check. Oh, yeah. Beautiful ribbon. And the white is also nice to tie. You got these gems, little stars, trinkets, and their adhesive back. It comes with 2 stamp sets, the Stars at Night, and then the Hybrid Stars at Night embossing folder and dies. It's going to be a long video. The thing I like about pre-orders for the minis is when we do a pre-order, let me grab some coffee. When we do a pre-order for the annual catalog, all the demonstrators get a list of what they can order. When we do the pre-order for the mini, we get to order one of anything in the catalog. So if you watch other unboxings, you get to see a lot of products. And that's what I like, because we don't all order the same thing. Personally, I go through and order all the sweets and any things I must have. That's my first pass. My second order will be my things that I really like, maybe more bundles and things like that. So that's the way I do it. And there's the dies. Lots of nice stars. Oh, this one's a double die. I like that. And a sentiment die. This is not going to fit in there, so put that together. And this beautiful, oh my gosh, look at this embossing folder. Oh, wow. Love it. As you can see, I didn't open anything. Well, I opened one set. And then Night Divine with all these beautiful sentiments. And we have the nativity scene. So again, I'd like to know from you, what would you like to see going forward? I got a feeling I know what you're going to say. Now let's look at the designer series paper. And of course, there's 2 of them. This is the Shining Brightly. This is one-sided with the gold foil. And like I said, this is all going to be included in your paper share. I could not wait to open this one, but I wanted to do it with you. I can see my Scrapbook Sunday 101 with this paper right here. That is also double-sided, but I love that scene. We have this scene for the nativity set. Some stars, like a watercolor image. Oh, another scrapbook I can see with this. And some more stars. That is the designer series paper that goes with this suite. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, now I have to move this over so I have some room. So bear with me one moment while I move some of this out of the way. Okay. Let's go. So that was page 14. Now we have page, and I'll probably end up missing something, page 23. Another favorite. They're all favorites. I think they knocked it out of the park with this suite. Told you I have stuff all over. You're going to hear me banging all over today. This is on page 23, and this is the BEARY Christmas. So let's show you that stamp set. And then we have the matching punch. The punch will cut out some of these. We have the ribbon. This one is not as bad as the other one I couldn't get out. I'm throwing all this on the floor. This is the Balmy Blue, and it's that velour kind of ribbon with some sparkle. We have these beautiful sparkly gems, glitter sequins. And we have the Memories and More pack. Let's just open that, see what that is. I'm already working on my second order, so I'll probably have a second unboxing. How do you figure out what you're going to order? So here are the card bases and the envelopes. I'll just flip those over so you can see both sides. And then we have the memory cards. We have the larger ones and some stickers. And then, of course, they're double-sided. So cute. What is it? The Coca-Cola bears, right? That's what it reminds me of. And then we have the smaller ones. And these are great to make quick, easy cards or scrapbooking. There's some journaling there, journaling here. I have a lot of holiday pictures, especially when my son was younger, so this works out really well. Another embossing folder with that suite. This is called Snowflake Sky. Now, one thing I want to mention when you get your catalog, there is an error in the catalog. This is shown in 2 different pages. I think it's page 75 and 23. Page 75 shows this price as $9.50. It is not. The correct price on page 23 is $11 if you buy it separate. So I just want to mention that. Another great embossing folder. I love my embossing folders. And let's open the paper. So cute. So let's see, where's my punch? So it's gonna be one of these. I haven't played with it yet, so. Oh, look at this. Definitely a scrapbook page. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? And on the other side, I love that they include these kind of pages here. This reminds me of a sweater. Oh, look at all the cute little animals. Who else starts their holiday cards early? Another nice one. Beautiful, beautiful pages. And we have some snowflakes. Oh my gosh. I'm going to have a real problem on which side to use, because this could make another scrapbook page or a nice card. Got all the presents. Looks like another, to me, it would be a sweater. So that is the designer series paper for that suite. I'll just move this over. Next, we have page 28. And this is another double set that you're going to love. So we have some large gingham check ribbon, black and very vanilla. And this is, again, very pliable. We have the Joy of Noel with the dies. Here's my host code for August. Now, this catalog doesn't go live until September. Let me see if the actual date is on here. It is somewhere. Anybody knows the exact date, just hop on and tell me. I just assume it's September 1st. Those are the dies to this set. I usually do a card buffet for Christmas sets too. I'll be traveling a little bit between the end of August and a lot of September. I'm going to see my kids in California. So I'll get back to you on the card buffet if you're local. Here is the Christmas Classics. Oh boy. Look at this die. We had one similar to this, but this is nice and large. Look at that. Oh, wow. You're going to love this suite. And, of course, the stamp set. Now let's take a look at both designer series paper. Again, they will be in your paper share. I will post that probably later today or tomorrow for the paper share. I urge you to sign up by the date that's on there so that I can order everything and it doesn't go back ordered. Okay, it does happen. Beautiful painted designer series paper. Some more gingham. Everybody loves the gingham, right? I love the music. My husband, of course, was a musician, so anything with music notes I absolutely love. And these are watercolor papers. They look like watercolor. There's a red gingham. Some more music notes. These are just absolutely beautiful. And then we have some foil paper. This is the Joyfully Specialty paper. And this is also one-sided. Not double-sided. This is what I'm excited about right here. Look at that beautiful foil music notes. Oh, I love it. And the berries. And of course they have the gold foil on those. And last but not least, put this all together, we have some gems. I always get nervous opening these live because I'm always afraid I'm going to dump them out. Loose holly gems and sequins. We got some music notes, some holly, some berries. Aren't they adorable? I can see a gorgeous shaker card with these. Absolutely. Okay, so let's move this out of the way and go to the next one. I'm also going to move this set out of the way because I have so much more to show you. Okay, so we're going to move the berries out of the way, the little bears rather. And let's go on to the next one. So that was page 28. Now we have page 36, and I know everybody, if you got your catalog, you've been waiting to see this. This is the Winter Meadow. So let's start with the beautiful stamp set. Love that font. The beautiful gems. They are a trio. And the dies. Oh, gonna make some gorgeous cards with this suite. I know you're all probably saying, yes, start with the holiday catalog now. It's got a short lifespan. It's from September to December, so in order for me to show you everything, I probably should start now. Show you everything that I bought. This ribbon is really nice. It's silver and white, and it's a sheer ribbon. And again, ties very nicely. Now for the papers. Again, this is a double designer series paper suite. And you'll get samples of all of this. Oh gosh, look at this. Beautiful. This is one of those papers I don't know which side I like better. We have the deer for the black and white cards. Definitely like that side better, I think. And the berries. That looks like a sky. Again, these are, to me, they look like watercolors, which I love. Wow. That could be a gray, cloudy sky. Maybe it's going to snow. Absolutely beautiful. And now for the specialty paper, Snowflake Magic. These are one-sided. Look at those. Wow. Love it. So again, go through the catalog when you get it. I'll be mailing out my catalogs to my customers today and tomorrow. If you've ordered from me within the last 3 months, you'll automatically get that free in the mail. If you need a demonstrator, you need a catalog, contact me, Stampersdelight. And I'll get you out a catalog. I do send out the first catalog free. As long as you keep ordering from me, you'll always get them. So that is the suite there. Oh my gosh, I don't know which one I like better anymore. Okay, put that over here. Let's go on to the next page, which is page 39. And this is a bundle, Sparkling Snowflakes. I had to have this because of the punch. Just need to find, oh, the heck with it. Get that out of there. This is a tag punch. And if you notice, it sticks up. So the snowflake sticks up. Let me see if I got a piece. Let's try this out. I should have a piece of paper here. I'm going to try this one out. This is just I'll do it at 2 inches. You want to see this one? I want to see it. Okay, so I'm just going to cut a 2-inch strip here so I can see how this comes out. Oh my gosh, look at that. Is that beautiful or what? Bookmark or tags for Christmas presents. Loving that. Next, we have page 42, another one that you're going to absolutely love. I did open this designer series paper. So this is the All About Autumn. So let's start with the papers. Double-sided foil on the other side. Look at these beautiful sceneries. That looks like my driveway in the fall. What's on this side? The foil. This really does look like out my window in the fall. We got the pumpkins. You're going to want to stay tuned because I have some announcements to make here. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful papers. We have these gems, and these are speckled dots, and they do have some speckles in there. We have the embossing folder, and this is a distressed embossing folder. We have the autumn leaves stamp set. And there's all the dies. I love when they give us sentiment dies along with the other dies that come with it. Let's get the ribbon. We've got some, what's this, copper and natural. This is the natural. It's a little wide, so I know I'm not going to make a bow out of this, but look at this copper ribbon. Is that beautiful for the fall or what? Absolutely beautiful. Love it. And now we have some more foil, which is copper and Pretty Peacock. This looks very familiar, doesn't it? We had one similar to this. And there's the colors. Again, this is one-sided, and you will get a sample of this in your paper share. And that is all about autumn. Whoop. Now I'm going to leave this over here for a second. This one I want to show you some more of. So let me put this right, put it right here. Okay. The next one that I have to show you is on page 46 for the Halloween lovers. Them bones. So we have cute little skeletons. And the dies. Let's see. I think there's going to be a lot of dies in here. 31 dies. Oh my gosh. Can you imagine what you're going to do with this? How adorable. Lots of dies, lots of pieces, lots of fun. We have some glow-in-the-dark bats and ghosts. We have glow-in-the-dark paper. Of course, it's not going to glow now because it's not nighttime, but glow-in-the-dark paper. It actually has like a rough feel to it, so it's textured. Can't wait to see that at night. And then, of course, we have the Designer Series paper, which you will get some of in your paper share. Now, when I do a paper share, I cut these down to 6 by 6. So when I cut them down, it's like that. So you'll get different pieces. That says boo and eek. Them bones. I'm sure those dies probably cut out some of these. We're going to take a look at that in a second. Some tombstones. Remember the tombstone boxes we had a few years ago? I think I still have some of those. I'll be using those. Ooh, that could go for the fall or a Halloween project. Some more bones and skeletons. And then we have this. This is great for, again, a scrapbook page. I know I have lots of pictures of my son Halloween when he was a kid. And then we have the blue with the bats on the other side. So let me just take a look at these. Yeah, here it goes. Let's see if this fits. I think it will. We're going to try it. Well, we're not going to try it. I'm going to check it out. Yep. Oh my gosh. And the dog. So those cut that out if you don't feel like doing all the pieces. We have another little one here, and I'm wondering if that's from one of these guys. Nope. I'll check that out more later. So I have a couple of friends that love Halloween. I know Cindy loves Halloween, Cindy Davis. And my good friend Nathan Spear. I know you're excited about the Halloween ones. Okay. Now we're going to move on to some other projects, other things here. We have on page 51, we have the Pick of the Patch. Again, I like to make sure I order the sweets first and anything with a punch, because I'm always afraid they're going to go back ordered. Okay, so we have a pumpkin Pick of the Patch bundle that's on page 51. Walk in the Garden I'm going to show you last. We also have curved occasions. And this is another great punch. Look at that curviness to it. And that will cut those out. I love my punches. So this is the curvy occasions. Very whimsical. Next, we're getting to the end here. I have, why do I have that one on here? Oh, let's see, page 75. This is also on another page in the catalog, and this is the Christmas Tides Embossing Folder. So we have the Christmas Tides Embossing Folder. I know you can't see it that well. It's got gingerbread, love, cheer, Christmas, tree, tidings, holiday, holiday, holly, joyful. That's on page 75. Back up to page 63. Sorry, I missed this one. Yes, we've got deckled circles. Deckled circle dies. Yay! Let's check those out. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize they were that big. Look at how large they are. Right down to the small ones. We are going to have so much fun with these. These are the deckled circles on page 63. Get your list ready. And then on page 76, we have gift envelopes. We all like to make our gift card envelopes. So look at these. We can use any of the designer series paper, ribbon, and gems for those. That's on page 76. And you get 20 in a pack. Loving those. And I think that's it, except for, got two more things. This is our new card kit, which card kit you can order now, I believe. I know the demonstrators could. So if you join Stampin' Up! And get the starter kit, join my team, put in for the starter kit, you can order some of this stuff that I've showed. Actually, any of this stuff that I've shown. You can use your dollars in the starter kit for the holiday mini. So we've got some twine, some gems, and then these cute little die cuts. Look at all these. And this is the tag kit. Every year we come out with a great tag kit, and this one definitely is out of the park. So that is our new tag kit, which you can get online now or call or contact me. Okay. Last but not least, I wanted to show you, let me bring that in. I want to clarify the fall retreat. The fall retreat is a fall retreat because it takes place in the fall. Years ago, I did only fall cards. Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas. But I listened to you, listened to my customers, asked them for suggestions, and some people didn't want to do all fall cards. So that is why I decided to use the Garden Walk Suite right here. The other reason is because not everyone that joins the retreats online, in my home, it's okay. I have my die cutting machines. Not everyone has a die cutting machine. So that is why I decided to go with this, because this has a punch. And I love this punch because it's finally big enough for sentiments, right? So this is the stamp set, Modern Garden. This is the punch. Here is some Calypso coral ribbon. Some gems. You're going to get all this in your swag bag. Here is the designer series paper. Now, the designer series paper is double-sided. So you can make Christmas cards, Thanksgiving Day cards, fall cards, birthday cards, because this has Christmas, birthday, enjoy your special day, best wishes. And this to me is a great fall color. And then of course we have the Christmas, but then if you want to do some birthday cards, you've got some other designer series paper to use. Now, again, this is all part of the fall retreat, online or in person. And then I've put in also the So Sincere stamp set so that you can use this for fall. So thankful for you. Great Thanksgiving card, right? You've got Knowing You Brings Joy to My Heart, Christmas. You've got You're in My Thoughts and Prayers. Maybe you need to make some sympathy cards, birthday cards. This you could also use for the fall, I guess. Be grateful for what you have. Be proud of who you are. That is why I chose this suite and this stamp set for the fall retreat. Okay, because it takes place in the fall, but it's really an all occasion. Now, the other thing I want to mention is I will be using some other designer series paper in those. I'm doing 10 projects. You're going to do 10 projects. You will be using most of this, but I will also be adding some, and I'm just showing you, I'm not showing you exactly what I'm using, but I will be adding some of the other designer series papers to your 10 projects. So your 10 projects are not all going to have just this paper. You're going to be able to use some of these other papers. I'm just using this as an example. So you really are getting a lot more than just this. And also door prizes, mystery gifts will be included. Now, you do need to sign up. Originally, I said September 30th. I am changing that date. You need to sign up by September 15th so I can order everything and nothing goes back ordered. Okay? So the link will be below when I'm done. And that is why I chose this set and all these goodies. Let me just show you a couple of samples I did last night when I got this in. So here is a fall card. So thankful for you. Again, using this So Sincere, but the garden walk. And I did fussy cut that. But look at those fall colors. I didn't put a sentiment on the inside yet, but there's a great sample of what you can do with this. For a Christmas one, again, I added some ribbon from another suite. And I did Wishing You the Warm Blessings of Christmas. The nice thing is, in person, you're going to come for the whole day, 10 to 4. If you're not done with your projects, not a problem. We can extend the hours, okay? You're going to get to craft with a lot of other crafters and have a lot of fun. Online, you're going to get a video, a PDF, and do the 10 projects at your leisure. So let me open this up. This is Peacock, Pretty Peacock and Poppy Parade. And then you would just open this up and it opens up like this. You can see I used that punch a different way. Wishing you warm blessings of Christmas. Knowing you brings joy to my heart. Joy for the holiday season. So here is just a quick sample of using these stamp sets that are in that swag bag. So I hope that you enjoyed my unboxing, and I hope you will think about joining the fall retreat, whether it's in person or online. The link is below for everything. And again, I will be mailing out the catalogs in the next 2 days. So give it some time, and then if you don't get it, I'd say within a week or so, then contact me. So until next time, thank you so much for tuning in, and keep on stamping, Stampers. Bye.